What is the best way to clean a down comforter? Washing or dry cleaning?
Hello and welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to best clean your down comforter. There's often a debate on whether washing or dry cleaning is the best method, but we're here to give you the answer and guide you through the process. Remember, it's important to treat your comforter with care to maintain its longevity and fluffiness.
To wash or to dry clean?
First, let's address the big question: should you wash or dry clean your down comforter? The truth is, both methods can work, but washing is generally considered better for the down. Many manufacturers recommend not to dry clean because the harsh chemicals used can break down the natural oils in the downfill, causing it to become less fluffy and insulating.
Preparing for washing.
Before you put your down comforter in the washing machine, make sure to check it for any specific washing instructions. Also, look for any rips or loose threads and sew them up to prevent the down from spilling out. If your washing machine is big enough, it's best to wash your down comforter at home. Otherwise, you might need to go to a laundromat and use a commercial-sized machine.
The washing process.
You should wash your down comforter on a gentle or delicate cycle with warm water. Use a mild, down-safe detergent. Too harsh a soap can strip the down of its natural oils. Once the cycle is finished, run an extra rinse cycle to ensure all soap is removed. Excess soap can decrease the fluffiness of the comforter.
Drying your comforter.
When it comes to drying, be patient. It's going to take a while. Dry your comforter on a low heat setting. It's a good idea to add dryer balls or clean tennis balls wrapped in socks to help fluff up the down. Make sure the comforter is completely dry to avoid mildew. This process might take 2 to 3 cycles, but remember, it's worth the wait. And there you have it. The best way to clean your down comforter is by washing it gently at home or in a commercial-sized washing machine, then drying it slowly and thoroughly. We hope this guide has been helpful, and that you feel confident to give your down comforter the care it deserves. Happy washing!